Hello everyone and welcome to this part 3. We are mounting the smallest rock bouncer electric radio controlled 4-wheel drive full suspension, independent suspension with sound effects and all proportional channel, ESC, what else? Damn hot and difficult to do because it's very small and has a lot of little pieces that are very slippery. I suggest you to wash the parts before you use them. I haven't done this, and so I passed the day looking for the pieces I have lost in my little workshop. Today we are going. I'm expecting you to subscribe to the channel. I wait for your comments. I've hurted myself with this bloody thing here, and smash the bell so you don't lose any of my precious videos. Today we are doing something. We make all the rods. We connect the rods to the axles. Then we have to jump away the engine section because I don't have the engine. I have ordered and I'm waiting, and we pass to the damper and transmission, I think. See, yes. Then the instruction speaks about the body, but for the body we have to have all the things inside. Radio too, and the radio, it will be a big challenge because there are no instructions and blah 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 blah. Start working. I have an idea, a nice idea, a little touch, but if I'm able to do this, it will turn the things in another way. Comments, like and subscribe. How do I mount the links? First, to uniball head from here. I am at the end of the work, and I have to. They left 1, 2, 3, 4. These are spare parts. Very useful, very well done. So I put one end here in order to hold it as better as I can. Then trying to go straight, I make 2 or 3 turns. Okay, this is not straight. Okay, and I hold very tightly. Then make it straight, then turn. Enough. Second, then I compare. I was lucky, it's quite perfect. Then you can adjust it, but it's better to follow the instructions that are very, very well made. Okay, step 12, we have to mount to the, I don't know if my servo is in this position. Maybe later I have to adjust it. So we start with this, that it is the shortest, with the two hand 90 degrees, one respect the other. I snap it here, and but before all this I have to mount this one. So this one has to be mounted like this, so this has to go in this way and this too. Okay. One and two. The other. Here we are, and perfect. Then this one, but this is not right. Because it's very long, this. I have to change it. If the servo horn is too long, you can't mount. So I wanted to have a lot of steering, but I have to change the servo horn. The shortest, maybe the second one. Yes, 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 yes. This Allen key. No. I don't like to do this. When you do this, you don't have to hold the sphere, the head, but the washer, and I call it washer, but you have understood what it is. Here we go. Screw. Snap it. Wonderful. Absolutely like a big one. Even if the servo is mounted here, but I think that in these dimensions they couldn't do nothing. It's more easy. Wonderful. I'm astonished. And then the other. This part. 9, 10. Now we have to understand 9, 9 and 10 are these. And so on. we return back when all is mounted. Links are mounted, tires are almost finished. I have to scrape away the little overpainting. I have to glue them because I've seen that making this gets out. This is going to drying. The springs are in white, they are drying too. So what else? What can we do? Let's see the instructions. Of course you can comment, like and subscribe. Of course you can do that. I can prepare this part. Or this I have to... the transmission. Yes, but first I would like to finish wheels, to finish suspension. Comments, like and subscribe. And maybe for this video it's enough. Stop by now. Guten Appetit. Happy meal. I go to eat.